Ya Sabaha, Ya Sabaha, Ya Sabaha. This was a call that was made in the time of the Arabs to alert an oncoming threat. And there he stood, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, upon that hill. And he yelled out and he called the tribes. And as the tribes came forth, he said, "O Bani Fihr, O the tribe of Fihr, O the tribe of Abdul Muttalib." And he called them by tribe after tribe, and he said, "If I were to tell you that there is an army coming from behind those mountains, would you believe me?" They said, "Yes. We have no reason to not believe you. We've only known you as someone who is as-sadiq, al-masduq, the trustworthy one. We put our affairs in your hands. We trust you completely. And plus, you're seeing the reality of what things are. You can see the hills. You can see what's happening. We're not looking at it right now." And then he says, "Then realize and know for sure that there is a terrible punishment that is coming your way. And I am a warner for you towards that." What we'll find in the early stages, actually in the da'wah as a whole, but of the mission of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is at the forefront. Majority of the da'wah revolves around a very key component of our belief. Belief in the hereafter. But not just belief in the hereafter, he would warn against the punishment and the realities that are awaiting the people in that day and on that day. It wasn't always just a soft call of mercy and love and hope, but at times it was rough and hard because the people needed to be woken up, and the people needed to be awoken from their slumber and their sleep, and to realize that there is an army and there is a threat that is coming for every single one of you. And it is going to be more greater and more harmful, and it is going to cause more pain and more regret than anything you could face in this life. And the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam never backed down from giving this call. He never backed down from giving the reality to the people, from sharing the reality of what is to come and what is to come their way. He never shied away from it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Qum fa'anzir." Stand up and warn. Meaning this quality of warning people is actually part and parcel of the da'wah. It is part and parcel of the mission of the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yet you find today that when we look at the global atmosphere and environment, where and what and who are warning us against the reality of what is coming in the hereafter.